siku zijazo kuhakikisha kwamba Wakenya pia ambao ndio washikadau kamili watajihisi kwamba wao pia wako hapa Bomas. So the issues are there, agreed. The framework agreement basically agreed, and the issues are framed. The agenda we have now is not that of Kenya Kwanza or Azimio. It is condensed into one document. So we expect the media to help us so that you don't create unnecessary division.
The framework agreement that the technical team had come up with, we earlier had adopted what had come out from the committees of parliament, and with a few changes. So we've agreed on the changes as proposed by the technical teams, and we are more or less agreed on the framework agreement that we will sign next week. We've also received the consolidated issues as proposed by the technical teams. They have clustered them in various titles. Again, those will be discussed next week and signed by the team.
The Senate will sit on Tuesday. In fact, we are told that a necessary notice has already gone out for a special sitting of the Senate on Tuesday. And that is where, properly guided, then we'll be able to meet on Wednesday and do the signing and proceed.
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ